Hi, and welcome to Ole Frog Eyes tutorials. My name is Elby, and I'll be showing you how to manipulate photographs with Paint.net in preparation for sharing quilts on the Ole Frog Eyes virtual design wall. Please feel free to pause the video at any time to perform the steps indicated, and resume the video when you are ready. I recommend expanding the video to full screen mode so that you may have a better look. Initially, of course, one must download and install Paint.net. The software is available free of charge, although donations are accepted. After installation, simply start the program and you are ready to begin. First and foremost, we need to clean up the workspace a bit. You will notice that there are a few boxes crammed with options in the workspace, and actually, we don't need them. Simply click the little red X in the upper right corner of each. Now, you can select File from the top bar, and then Open, and select the image you wish to use. On the second row of icons at the top of the screen, on the extreme left, you will see a box entitled Tool. Click on it, and click on the Rectangle Select option. Immediately to the right of the tool icon we just used, there are now two new options. Click on the box entitled Normal and select Fixed Ratio. To maintain a perfect square, you will need to change the current ratio of 4:3 to a ratio equivalent of 1:1. Now, you are ready to make a careful selection of your quilt block. Click and drag the mouse over the area you wish to keep. When the selection is to your liking, you can select Image from the top bar, and then the very first option, which is entitled Crop to Selection. Although the image is now a bit smaller, chances are that the file size is still too large to use. So from the top bar once more, select Image and then Resize. The box which appears has quite a few numbers displayed in it, but the only ones we need worry with are at the very top, New Size, and the middle, Width and Height. The object of using this tool is to ensure that the image's file size is less than 150 kilobytes. Using the down arrow on Width, shrink the image until the new size value is less than 150 kilobytes. I find that 160 in the width field works well, and click OK. The last step is to save and compress your new image, so select File from the top bar, then Save As. Ensure that JPEG is selected in the Save As Type field, and then click Save. You will see a box which allows you to specify the compression for the image. The default compression for JPEG images should make the image's file size less than 30 kilobytes. But if not, simply click the down arrow beside the number field until the file size is small enough, and click OK. Be careful not to compress the image too much, as it will make your quilt block appear fuzzy. The proceeding might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. Once you've done it a few times, it'll be a piece of cake.